But it's important for us to have a real global, ambitious, level playing field agreement. And we also want that the level of competitiveness of the European business has to be preserved. This is a very important opportunity for everybody, but also for European business. So we really, first of all, worked and want the COP21 to be a success. We ask for an ambitious, global and legally binding agreement. We want a global because we want that all the different countries has to be involved. And we want also a legally binding agreement because without a real legally binding agreement, the risk is that here we have very good intention, but then there is no real and concrete implementation, and we need a real implementation. For what we understand up to now, the negotiation is not showing a reference to comparable efforts. This is a problem. When I talk about level playing field, I'm not talking that all the other countries have to cut 40% or have to do the same as we have done until now. But the level playing field for us means that all the countries have to commit. Not some countries have to stay, aside from this, and they have to do their best in order to also understand what are their capabilities. We cannot, move as it has been done before, where only the developed country took some commitment. We recognize that there is efforts going on. For example, on the INDCs, we see a good point. But we would like to see a continuous development and a continuous improvement. The aim of the 5-year review is that all the other countries has to catch up with Europe, because we know that Europe is now the most energy efficiency part of the world. A lot has been done. We know that this is our responsibility. It was good to do that, but we expect also the other countries to catch up. So the 5-year review must be a mean to really see improvement. We have a strong advocates to have carbon markets in the Paris Agreement. We welcome the reference to carbon markets in Article 3. It's important to have a stronger recognition also of the cap and trade system addressing climate change, and it's very important that the different regional carbon markets have to be interconnected and having a system also here which is comparable. This is very important also to enhance investments. Having carbon markets is really one of the means to enhance investment in clean technology, in research and investment on clean technology. If we want a real implementation, a concrete implementation, if we want to enhance research, development, investment, the involvement of the business community is very important. We see some progress, mainly on the process. We are a little bit more cautious on the results. The most important thing for a business and to enhance investment is predictability and a situation which is clear, because if there is a lot of uncertainty, investment will not be there. The Commission is saying that there will be 43%, as you know, in auction and 43 free allowances. We think that this is not enough to avoid the problem of carbon leakage and investment leakage. So we think that we need more free allowances, because from some calculation we did, this kind of free allowances is not enough even to help to support the best in class. And some investment in some kind of industry could leave Europe.